Hey, good morning, north of 44 degrees. It is crane day plus 25 and just arrived. Heading back in the 2-track. A little bit of wind, a little bit of rain. Let's take a look and see what we've got so far. Did notice a couple trailers on the property now. One looks like a trash trailer. And a construction worker's trailer. They've unboxed all the lumber and trusses for the dormers. You can see the garage is now in. Man doors in. And they grabbed the window. So this window came out of the barn. It was left over. Actually, it was an extra from when we built the barn. The barn company bought one too many windows. So they sold that one to us at cost. So we decided to put it here in the garage. On the back side of the house, dormer's up. You can see some shingles on the roof. Oh, I'm digging this dormer. Look at this. Isn't that something? All right, let's go back around front. Go inside and see what's new on the inside. So on the inside, cleanliness is still a thing. This place is, for a construction zone, this place is freaking spotless. Everything is nice and neat and tidy. Work on the walls is continuing. That sheetrock work is looking pretty good. Duck back in here into the master. You can see all the materials are gone. Vacuum cleaners are still hanging around. No changes in here really. I wonder. Probably the first time that one's been turned on. There was a crack in the wall back there, so the walls are looking great. This place is spotless. In the kitchen, still no flooring in, but here's all the materials. Refrigerator's still out. Haven't done the trim on the back door yet, no big deal. Looks like there's still some baseboard that needs to go in. Oh, they've taken the barn doors down. Why did they take the barn doors down? Craft room. Oh, but you can see they have cased all the doors here. So those used to be raw. That's the seam where the house comes together. But you can see they've trimmed all those out. All the cracks are done. I wonder if they took the barn doors down because they found some cracks there. Guest room. Same. No real changes there. that stub up for the gas line may be new, but again, things looking pretty solid. So that's really it. So they just continuing to improve. Took the shelf down. I bet that's what it was. I bet there were some cracks because they took this shelf down here, and this looks like a repair patch. So that's what they're doing. Barn doors came down to repair. Yeah. Library. And there's the doors. Okay. So there's that. Oh, I forgot to mark time. We are crane day plus 25. Oh, lights are hanging. That's cool. So they can do that patchwork. They got the lights. I wonder. Look at there. Looky there, looky there. Very cool. All right. That should wrap it up for this one. We'll take another peek outside in the garage and we'll call it. So a little more detail in the garage. That cover is still there. I'm gonna probably need to put some additional lights. I don't see anything for power out here. So it makes me wonder if there is an outlet. Okay, so makes me wonder if what the garage door situation is going to be. And if they're not going to put an automatic or an electric garage door opener on, or if I'm going to have to do that. I should look at that. If so, I'm going to need an outlet up here. I will probably insulate this place just to sort of keep it warm. But other than that, it looks really good. There's your house tour. With that being wrapped up, I'm gonna go work on my barn. Thanks everybody. See you next week.